checking out some of the young ones. This one is going to be huge. So this one, it's from that big blue hen. I'll explain. I'll actually move the phone around and show it. But this bird is still growing. It's a very young bird. It's definitely going to be a boy, I reckon. Massive bird. Huge wings. Very nice. There's a sister. He's got a sister, older sister, which is one of the flying hens. She's actually the best, one of the best flyers. Yeah, that's nice bird. It's good size. It's dark, you can't really tell. So that's the mother of that bird. That's its nest, mate. And that's the father. The mother of him is that one right there. Look at those eyes. Her father had even pearlier eyes than that, which is also his father. Is that one there, which that one's father is the same father as that one there. Except that one's half OG. And the mother of that, believe it or not, is the small black hen, which was my best flyer. And he's currently paired to a silver hen. And that hen with this boy, gotta keep them together as long as I can, because they make some nice blues, and boy, they're flying right now. They're flying pretty good. So it's not very clear, is it? Yeah. So otherwise, I would have put her to the brother, which is this one here. But because she and him make amazing birds, so yeah, that young one that I showed, hiding in that corner now, kind of come up massive. That's also its sister right there. The amazing birds, future flyers. So I'm trying to make as much blues as I can. So hopefully they make some more. So then I might let this hen actually breed with that boy. See what they make. This Besso Tomich, this hen, which is the daughter. She's the daughter of that boy. So she's been a proven flyer. Before I went overseas, She's one of the 9 hens that are flying in the video. And they've got 1 or 2 there now. I think they've got 2. That should be nice. So he is half Vesto old boy. It's definitely got the lines going there. So yeah, hopefully we get more of these blues. Look at him, man, he's a massive young one. It's gonna be, and he's heavy. It's gonna be a massive bird. So hopefully this pair make at least a couple more set of eggs. I've been taking it easy with them. I did swap their first ones. They did breed that one. So if they make 1 more, and I might swap again maybe. Yeah, she's really good. She was one of the 9 flying. Even when I cut her loose and put her for breeding, she wanted to fly. She was trying to go up in the loft and fly. Even when she had her wings cut. But she's definitely over that now. So that boy's got OG line. That red boy's got OG line. He's got the small black line, and he's got that blue line, which unfortunately I don't have anymore. Which is good that it's in, that line's in him, her, and that boy. Very nice blue with very pearl eyes. And we'll see how all these young ones fly in a few months. See those ticklers. Oh, there you go. They're starting to walk about. Yeah, hiding in there. Nice. The white ones, I cut them right, like that. They actually go on the loft, they come down, they flutter around a bit. They can go up on the top here. So cutting 4 feathers, less than halfway, does the job. And yeah, I can't believe this one. Pretty much all white, a little bit on the head. Amazing. One of the best saddles that I believe I've got with that other boy. Is this boy here. Definitely 2 of the best that I've got. And he's the one that makes it. That fella. That fella right there. And they've created even better ones this time. Even better, I can't believe it. I'll let these guys be. It's been a busy day. They've been out all day. They've had a good time. I've just given the mix today, a lot of corn. Now I'm thinking of moving the young ones tomorrow. Put them all in another loft. So we'll see. See if I can do that tomorrow. So this hen gets molting very muchly, very badly. That hen is the sister of that young big fella. These hens were flying alright today. The Veso Blue was flying, did great. These ones here did alright. Like you look at this one and that one, you think, but man, they were up there, did well, all in time. You can see they're still molting.